So how do you add captions to a Final Cut Pro project with minimal input? This is the second in a series of Captionator workflow videos. Video 1 showed you an overview of how Captionator works. This video is going to show you how to quickly add those captions. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell because there are 5 more videos in this Captionator series. I'll use a video with a voiceover and titles, B-roll and overlays. And this is a real-world situation. I'll play a little so you can hear the audio. This is what you can do in the Pick My Brain module. Fix your immediate issues. Request an action plan. You receive 1 week's one-on-one support. So the process is you need to disable all music and sound effects. Just click on the clip, press the V key, and that will disable it. Select the Captionator destination in the share menu. The export window opens, and you can see it's just exporting audio of the voiceover. In the next window, just select Generate. You can select a style. It'll ask you to select a location to save the voice-to-text file. You only need to do this the first time because Captionator will save to that location in the future. Tell it which Final Cut Pro library you want to add the captions to. Then it'll ask you if you want to overwrite previously saved captions or add another. And in most cases, you'll just add another and then select that one in your project. A new event will appear in the library with a new project called Generated Captions. Open the project to see the caption titles and the closed captions. Select all the contents. That's press Command plus A. Now copy that. Press Command plus C. Open the video you want to add the captions to and move the cursor to the beginning of that video, or press the home button on an extended keyboard or FN plus left arrow on the small keyboard. Paste it. That's Command plus V. All the caption titles and the closed captions will be added. And now these are the manual operations that you do need to do. Since I don't want the closed captions for this exercise, select the index and untick the white captions checkbox. The captions are added in the middle of the screen, not well proportioned right up my nose. Select any caption, make sure the yellow outline is showing. You may need to zoom in with Command plus. Right-click in the viewer and select Transform. Move the caption to the position on the screen that you want. Copy that caption, that's Command C. Now select all the other captions and paste the position attributes by pressing Shift plus Command plus V. Now paste that. And last, don't forget to re-enable the music and the sound effects. Click on them and press the V again, and that will re-enable them. And if you want to use any of the advanced options to change fonts and colors, you don't need to regenerate the captions as they remain in the Generated Captions event. I'll show you more about that in the next tutorial. Now finally, play the video and you can make adjustments. But generally it's a good idea to add the captions as a final operation, so you can export when you're ready. There are 5 more videos in this series that will show you workflows on how Captionator will enhance your videos. The first video is the overview. The second is to add captions quickly and automatically. The third will show you short and punchy captions that will be a boom for Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. The fourth will show you how to use captions in longer videos. That's interviews and tutorials, and it'll also show you how to use closed captions. The fifth in the series will show you how to collaborate on a project in Final Cut Pro when Captionator is creating the captions on the original computer and then allow the other editors to be able to edit those captions. And the sixth is about improving your SEO by being able to take the text that Captionator has created and put it into your descriptions on your web page or into your descriptions on a YouTube or social media. And I'd like to point out that none of these videos were sponsored by Captionator, but they did provide an evaluation copy.